Hello Europe, hi.
My name is Margarita López.
Hello, I'm Marika.
Hello, I am Nina.
I'm William.
Dana Ahmed.
So my name is Nathalie from Isacker.
Alexander.
We are in Brussels today in front of the European Parliament. We have a full day on the workshops around blue citizenship, what blue citizenship is, what it means, how it's put into action by different members.
We'll go interview people attending these workshops
During Ocean Week,
Empowerment, I think that would be one word. Blue citizenship is something that involves or should involve everyone. It's like a coalition of people joining or advocating to protect the ocean.
Basically the realization, I would say, that we're all connected to the ocean in one way or another. What we do eventually ends up in the ocean. Our excess nutrients, our plastic, and then we pull up things from the water as well. We eat fish, we eat shellfish, and if we want to continue to do that in the future, we have to make sure that they exist at all. And we can't do that if we don't acknowledge that we're also living with and by the sea as citizens.
Transformation. Being part of this process where we transform our interconnectedness with the ocean, becoming aware of it, making sure we have access to information and also access to justice, becoming aware of the fact that responsibility and participation comes along with rights, that we have to exercise what it means to be a citizen too, that we have rights and responsibilities towards the marine environment.
I am a marine biologist from Colombia, and right now I'm working with Somos, OcéanoS, a project that works with accessible science communication, MPA management, and I'm also supporting an initiative called Letters to the Sea.
I am a law of the seas specialist, and I champion sensory connection, visual connection, emotional connection to the ocean, whilst also acknowledging the crisis that we are in. I work as a project officer for Seascape, Belgium, and I'm the facilitator of the EU4Ocean platform. The coalition is made up of 3 communities. We have the EU4Ocean platform that brings together research institutes, universities, NGOs, associations, artists. The idea is that everyone can really share information within the platform. The second community, that is the Youth4Ocean Forum, that brings together young people from 16 to 30 years old. And so they have an accreditation as young ocean advocates. And the third community is the network of European Blue Schools, which are bringing the ocean into their schools by developing a project in partnership with local partners. And of course, these 3 communities work together because it's together that we can make a difference. In Somos, OcéanoS, we have a beautiful initiative called Letters to the Sea, which invites youth to write a letter to the sea as if it was a person. And those letters, to include youth, we showcase them in different conferences, like in UN Ocean Decade, here in the Ocean Week.
We have an ongoing book project called True Tales for Ocean Rebels. We target children, age group is around 7 till older, because we can't reach all age groups using scientific papers, and sometimes when science falls short, we have to rely on narratives.
Reconnecting the young generation with the ocean, and then in the meantime also provide them with scientific facts.
I have an organization called the EcoSpectrum. We create an ocean literacy curriculum that is accessible for autistic youth, and then we translate this curriculum into a non-written curriculum. We gather Bedouin children and families from the coasts of the Red Sea, and we create puppet shows, and we teach about coral bleaching, plastic pollution, deep-sea bed mining, and we try to give power back to the community, because I have the kids play the characters in the puppet show so that they are the stewards that are teaching this ocean literacy rather than kind of just active listeners.
you can get involved and become a blue citizen by reaching out to the EU4Ocean Coalition.
Join the EU4Ocean Coalition.
See you around.